Hi guys, my name is Miranda Jabianti Sijabat. I am from grade 9th B and I'm from elementary school first 203 Jakarta. So I will show you how to cook an egg, but before I start cooking, we have to prepare the ingredients and the tools that we use for cooking later. So the ingredients that I already prepared before, it's an egg, a salt, a soy sauce, and a cooking oil. Here in that glass, in this glass. For the tools that you use for cooking, there are a bowl, a spoon for the mix, the frying pan, and last but not least is a spatula. Okay, for the first step, we broke the egg. Oh my god. Then take a spoon and mix the egg. Oh. The next step, add a pinch of salt. And a little bit from soy sauce. Okay, just a little bit, so the taste is not too bland. We mix again, so the egg, the salt and soy sauce can mix it perfectly. After that, put the frying pan on the stove, then turn on the stove. Then add a cooking oil to the frying pan. We wait a little harder. If it's a little hotter, then pour the egg into the frying pan. If the bottom of the eggs it is cooked. So turn the eggs over so it's cooked perfectly. When the eggs are ready to cook, move the egg. When the eggs are ready to cook, move the egg to a plate. The eggs are ready to be served with rice or other foods.